Hello everybody, welcome back to week 2 of Pride Month in May. I'm so excited for this next bag, you guys. I've been like chomping at the bit, just excited to get the next one open because that first one, you guys, that cherries on the base, that color is absolutely stunning. That makes me very excited to see what else is inside of this giant box. So if you are new here, hello, I'm Ralph by Design. I do unboxings, bag related content, things of that nature here on my YouTube channel and over on my Instagram. Both are at Ralph by Design. If that interests you, please feel free to subscribe here and follow me there. And without any further ado, let's get into this week's unboxing. Let's get into this jumbo box to see which one I will be picking next to unbox. I think it has spoken. I'm gonna go for this one that slid down. I'm very excited to see our next Cashin 22 because that first one was absolutely stunning. Let's see. I know which one this one is. Absolutely love the color. Oh, this green. You guys know that I absolutely love green. It's been a new discovery of mine. I absolutely love green bags, and this is definitely no different. I'm thinking this is like an army green. This Cashin has the Pines Pantry printing on it. I'm absolutely loving this color. Let's unwrap everything and get the full experience. All right, here it is, fully unwrapped, and I am digging this color. It's like an army green. It's giving me kind of like definitely army-esque kind of G.I. Jane kind of vibes. I'm really liking the green with like this. This isn't like white. It's like a tan or an off-white, maybe an ivory. I think it looks really good together. It does, of course, come with the leather strap. It's going to be the same setup on the inside as all the others that we will be seeing in these unboxings. The canvas on this one has kind of like a greenish hue to it. I'm guessing that's exactly what it's going to be across the board. It's going to have that matching canvas interior. It's going to tie the interior and exterior together. I absolutely love that they did that. Like I mentioned in my last video, this one does only come with one hang tag. The cherry one, I believe, is going to be the only one in the entire collection that's going to have the double hang tag. Have no idea why they did that, but I absolutely love that feature on it. It would have been cool to include it with all the other ones, but either way, I absolutely love this color. It's the same setup inside and out as all the other Cashins, and it's going to have that foil printing of the genuine glove tanned leather down at the bottom. I love this like muted green with that brass. I think it looks very nice. To go in a little bit about Pines Pantry, I'm gonna be honest, I had to research some of these myself, but I did some reading and I actually very much so enjoyed it. I wanna read you guys, I found an article from the New York Times that explains a little bit about the history of the Pines Pantry. And there is this specific line that I seen that it made me giggle. So the headline of the article on the New York Times website is "The First and Only Grocery Store in Fire Island Pines." Right underneath that it says, "For nearly 70 years, Pines Pantry has been a one-stop shop for fresh fish, baked goods, and lube." Yep, that's right. You can pick up your groceries, your fresh fish, and baked goods, and don't forget a bottle of lube. So the original location, Ship and Shore, got started in 1953. And in the 70s, a couple did purchase it. They changed the names. They changed what they carried there. Fire Island being so small, you walk into all walks of life and everybody congregates around this grocery store because it's the only place on the island that you can get groceries. They offer breakfast sandwiches and, of course, pick up your lube while you're there. I'm loving this color combination. Like I said, it's very like rugged army. It's giving me those kind of vibes and I absolutely do love that. You guys know I love me a green bag. Same setup all the way around. Got that greenish kind of hue on the canvas on the inside. I'm very happy with this, and I love the color combination of that green with the brass. Same thing with the red on the cherries. That red and the brass looked amazing. Make sure you guys remember that all these bags are going to have the same style number. I don't want you to get them mixed up. What's going to differentiate them is going to be the color code. And for the Pines Pantry one, if you're calling in the 1-800 number or you're calling your sales associate and you want to make sure they get you the right one, the color code on this one is VU0. They're all going to be the same price, $4.50, and same style number of CJ858. This one is the Pines Pantry. We'll give you a little close-up moment there of that. I'm excited to see the next Cashin because, you guys, 2 for 2, they're both winners. I absolutely love these bags. It makes me even more excited for the next Cashin that is in that box. If you guys are curious about the next Fire Island Cashin that I will be unveiling, make sure you guys come back next week for week 3 of Pride Month in May. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one, and don't forget, stay extra out there. Bye!